Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to remove share button on Facebook. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The Facebook share button enables your friends to share your posts on their timeline, something that their friends can see. Many users somewhat like the share button because it allows them to share their posts with their friends. However, some people prefer privacy and would prefer the share button to be removed. It's frequently used to spread the word about politics or sports, or simply to share hilarious weird memes and whatnot. First of all, open up your Facebook app. I am just going to go ahead and create a post here. The very next to the album, this will indicate friends, so set your post to friends only. It shows who can see your post, and then you're selecting friends, so only your friends will be able to see it. They won't be able to share this on their own timeline, and they won't be able to show this post to other users. Tap Done and post it. The final method to disable the share button on Facebook is to tap on these 3 lines, then tap on this gear icon to go to your settings and privacy. After this, you'll scroll down and tap on Posts. Then go ahead and select who can see your future posts. If this is set to public, that means that any Facebook user can share your post. Now, if you want to disable it, tap on Only Me. That is how you disable the Facebook share button in the Facebook app. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.